Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AR traffic count. So AR traffic count, this is the mobile GPS base which works both in online and offline. It has been developed to do the vehicle count according to the vehicle class categories. So after having your license sorted and make proper communication with myself and my colleague, this is what you get in application. So make sure you have your GPS on. That means when you open it, it will do device location check. So if you have your location on like this on mine here, location on here, then you are good to go by clicking refresh. So by clicking refresh, that means you have this interface. So far right corner, you have 3 dotted here on top. So this one, you have about, this is the name of the developers, which myself, Arnold, Kilaini, and Gopal. Then going back again, the manual. So this manual is in PDF, so it will use your mobile default PDF reader. We can read on how to use this application at your own time. Then you can go back, because I want to show you how to use this application. You come back to our main interface here. So then clicking on the 3 dotted, there is exit. So if you want to exit the application. So let us get things now dirty by clicking on the road info. So the road info, this is the first step. You need to click on this so that you can go on with other particular procedures. So road info, this is the abbreviation of road information. So this is the very important part. That means you need to collect those basic information of the road you are going to collect. So scrolling at the bottom, you see nothing shows up on the screen, but the most important part is the GPS at the bottom. So you are required to refresh. So by refreshing, it picks up the coordinate where I am, and bottom of it there is accuracy. That means my accuracy is 3.8 meter. So this depends on the phone. Some phone can be 5 meter, some 10 meter, some even 1 meter. Then going on top now, you have the date and day, because it has picked up the location. So because this is customized for Tanzania, then region, you select region, for instance Dar es Salaam, select district, Kinondoni, location name, I can say AA, location code 01, road name, collector road. For my case, I can call it collector road. Road code 00000000001. Chainage, I can put it 0 plus 00. Nearest town, I can leave it, but you can put any nearest town where you're collecting data. Choose weather, cloudy, direction from maybe A towards B, enumerator name, Arnold, Kilaini, supervisor name, you can put. Then the GPS here, you see, you have refreshed. So as I mentioned earlier, this works in both offline and online, but you can always cross-check. So cross-checking, there is a map here, but this map, you need internet so as to verify where you are. So by clicking map here, that means I know, oh, okay. You see the pinpoint, the water drop shows me here I am, and you can zoom in, you see? But this works better if you have internet. But if you don't have internet, don't worry, you just have to cross-check this location accuracy, which for my case is 3.8 meter, which is fine. Then there is clear, this you want to clear the data, then save. Because I'm showing you how to use this app, I'll click upon save. So the message box will appear, data saved, successful. So here you're good to go with other bottom line procedures. So going to traffic count, this is the main interesting part. It gives you the time, the phone GPS time, and the plus and minus. Plus is where you see a vehicle category, you click on it, it adds, and subtract, it subtracts that particular category. So for my case, add 8, maybe 11 vehicles. I click randomly here. Then when I press subtraction, that means I subtract. You see 12, 13, then 1. You see. So when you click subtraction, it automatically goes to plus. So when I click again minus, you see again. So I want to subtract, you have to make sure you click subtraction button, then like that. So you'll do the traffic count depending on the time variation, if it's 12-hour count or 24 hours count, but just like that. So you just have to press buttons until you are fed up with everything and collecting the data. So the most interesting part also, you have to generate a report. So the report is customized in Excel format, which later on you can ask and can customize for you. But for this case, it has the vehicle categories, which are customized already in Excel. And at the bottom, there's a reset count if you want to reset and start afresh. So for my case, because I want to generate report, I just click generate report. Okay, it will ask me. I'll press OK. That means the report will be generated. And the message box will appear at the bottom, report generated successfully. Then going back to the main application window, say, do you really want to exit? Say, okay, but because I've generated report already. If not, you could have said cancel, then go back again. So I'll say, okay. Then report. So I'll see my report here because it gives you the time. This is the latest one. It stays at the bottom. So I can always share RAM, yes, here I have the reports here. The good thing, it gives you all this information, then you can always open it. So it has 3 reports: report, data, and summary. So we can look at the report here. You can extract, yes. So upon extracting, these are the reports. So I can click on report, open with Microsoft Excel. You see here, so you have location details, tally sheet. This is how the tally sheet opens. You see, you can zoom in. You see it has all the vehicle categories. This is a 24-hour count. You see, it gives you all those information. So just like that. So the report, then the summary, it gives you the summary. And you see here, and the particular time, the northern eastern weather, and the supervisor, passenger car, how many of them are they? There were 3. Gives you like a summary report. And good thing, it gives you again in that particular row. You see, if the time recorded. For instance, going back to the report here, report. You see, for the details, the time here, it was recorded at what time? 3 p.m. So you can see from time 3 p.m. 15 to 16. This is where you find the vehicles. But all other places is 00. And gives you the sum, vertical and horizontal. So that's it. So that's the way of using AI, just like that, for reporting. So going back to the last option is reset data. So reset data, this if you want to reset all the data and start afresh. So when I click reset data, I will clear road info. That means I'm done with the first station. I'm going to another station. When I press OK, that means all data is cleared. So when I go back now here, road info, nothing is seen. Just like that. Thank you for watching. And this is how the AR traffic count works.